Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque here, back on another video. Today I'm going to be unboxing for you the Haque cabinet screwdriver set. So this is for cabinets, but I'm going to use it for cars. So this is multi-purpose, guys, and this one's very useful for cars. This big one's very useful for cars. So yeah, that's very good. So when we were doing when we were repairing the Astra, the front bumper, we couldn't take the bolts off because they had rusted away fully, like they've been stripped and rusted. So what we had to do was angle grind it and cut a hole in it, and we needed something like something with a lot of strength on it. The normal screwdriver like this size or this size, they wasn't budging. So we went to our closest garage. We borrowed one of their big tools like this. You need a big one like this. So then we had a good grip on it and could twist it, because when you have longer thing, you have leverage, so you can put in less force and it'll come out. And also that end is a lot bigger as well, so that's really good. So yeah, that's how we do it. So that is a very useful thing to have. If you have stripped bolts, you can use an angle grinder, like I said, cut a hole in it like a line, use a normal one of these to pull it out, easy as that. Yeah, okay. And then these small ones are very useful for in tight spots, you know, on the engine bay and stuff. Obviously they don't use these bolts half the time. This is just a generic twisted one, but yeah, it all depends. But there is a lot of use cases you can use on. But yeah, this is the main reason I bought it was for them two, just them two there, guys. And this is £3, so it's not very expensive either. And you got these extra spare for housework, whatever you want to do with it. So yeah, let me go ahead and open it. So you get 8 pieces, equip cabinet screwdriver, anything on the back. So these are the specs. You got the flat. Blah, 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 blah. Yeah, there you go. Okay, pretty much that's it. Where did I buy this from? Home Bargains. So I bought this from Home Bargains. I was walking past, I go do, and then I just came across it. I was like, fuck it, why not? I've needed it in the past and I didn't have the tool, so I might as well equip myself, guys, you know what I mean? So yeah, I'll go ahead and open this for you guys, one-handed. Doing some next level tricks here for you guys. There you go, no one, you bastard. Probably better to use two hands, but it is what it is. There you go. And now be careful, this will be very sharp. Come on, you bastard. This is the main showstopper, the screwdriver popper. That's the one, lads. That's the one that will get you all the girls. I'm joking. Come on, man. Okay, this could take a while, so I'm going to use both hands. Okay, so there's my piece. Okay, there's my piece. No injuries that I can see. Maybe in the morning we'll see. Okay, so the two main ones is this tiny little bastard. Oh, that feels nice, you know. So hold it like this. Okay, and then you got the big one, the big motherfucker. There you go. These actually feel really nice. What the hell have they made this out of? I don't know, there's like a soft matte type feel, but it doesn't look matte. Maybe it's just painted or something. I don't know what the hell it's done to it. Oh, it's nice. Eee, there's bloody dust. Eee, bloody hair. Ew. Okay, very nice. Yeah, the build quality is not the best looking, but he'll do the job. That's why it is £3, so can't really complain. So yeah, I'm equipped now. Anyone needs a bumper putting on, let me know. I'm here, lads. I'm here. Get There you go, motherfuckers. Very beautiful. Thank you very much for watching. Yeah, stay tuned, guys. Hopefully I'll get a new car soon, and yeah, we'll do some work. Thank you guys for watching. Good night, everybody.